After discovering the heart of the forest, an air of unease enveloped the friends. The atmosphere, once vibrant and full of light, began to darken, as if a deep shadow was emerging from the depths of the forest. The trees whispered in an ancient language, and the breeze seemed to carry the echoes of old fears.
Something isn't right. Why is the darkness returning? This feeling is so cold and heavy that it unsettles me, as if a frozen hand were trying to wrap around me. It's as if the light we've found is being consumed by something evil, and with every passing second, I feel hope slipping away a little more.
Because we have yet to face our greatest challenge. This is the final test that the forest presents to us, an opportunity to demonstrate our growth and courage. Only by confronting our shadows can we find the light we truly need. We must remember that darkness is not just an enemy, but a part of ourselves that we need to accept and understand.
But we are not alone. This time we know how to face it. We've gone through so many trials together, and each one has made us stronger. Our strength lies in the unity and trust we have built among ourselves. We will not face this with fear, but with the power of our friendship and everything we have learned. We are ready for whatever comes our way, and together, we can overcome any obstacle.
Suddenly, a dark figure emerged from the depths of the forest, and the air grew heavy with an aura of desolation. Its presence was palpable, and an unsettling silence filled the space. The friends felt their hearts beating strongly as the shadow began to whisper, attempting to destabilize them.
You cannot escape me. I will always be with you, lurking in every corner of your mind. I am your doubts, your fears, a constant reminder of your fragility. No matter how far you try to run, I will always be here, reminding you of what you fear and what you think you cannot overcome. I am part of your story, and you will never be rid of me.
We do not need to escape. We have learned to confront you. Each of us has found our courage in the light of our friendship, and that light is a fire that burns bright. This time, we will not let fear take hold. Instead, we will use everything we have learned and the strength we have found together to face the darkness head-on.
We are no longer afraid like we used to be. We have faced challenges that have made us stronger and wiser. What once paralyzed us now empowers us. The shadow may try to scare us, but we know we can always rely on each other, and that is what makes us invincible.
Our friendship is stronger than your words. We are not just friends, we are a family united by love and trust. Your voice will not break our bond. Our laughter, our memories, and our shared dreams are more powerful than any shadow. Together, we will shine brighter, and we will never let darkness extinguish our light.
Taking a deep breath, the friends closed their eyes, focusing on the light that resided in their hearts. As they did so, a warmth began to spread within them, wrapping them in a comforting embrace. The shadow began to retreat, and a new hope shone brightly, filling the air with positive energy.
Our light is stronger than the darkness. Every ray of light that emanates from us is a celebration of our friendship and the courage we have found on this journey. Darkness may try to drag us down, but we have discovered that when we unite and share our light, we can face any challenge that comes our way.
How can this be? I am part of you. I have been with you in every doubt, in every misstep. You cannot ignore me. I am the echo of your insecurities and the shadow of your fears. I have been here from the beginning, and I will always find a way to return.
Yes, but so is our light, and it is stronger when we are together. Darkness cannot define us. Our experiences, our laughter, and the love we share shine brightly when we unite. The light we have cultivated throughout our journey is a beacon of hope that will always find the way.
Now, together, let us fill this place with light and love. It is time to unite our strengths and let our compassion illuminate every corner. Together, we can transform darkness into a glow of hope. Let us not forget that light and darkness coexist, but today, we choose to shine brighter than ever.